Welcome to TopStockResearch. In today's video, we'll learn how to customize display values on mouse move. Display values in a chart simply mean the numerical values that are shown directly on the chart. For example, values like high, low, and close, as well as indicator values, are displayed on the screen. In simple terms, display values make your chart more informative and easier to understand at a glance. Now, let's see how to customize the color and field settings for these values, so that your charts become clearer and more useful. Now, let's understand how to customize them. As you can see, we are on the TSR chart screen. In the right top corner of the chart, you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Once the pop-up opens, click on the display value option. Here, you can choose the important fields you want to display. For example, if you only want to show close and percentage change, you can select those options. You can also unselect any fields you don't need. Below that, volume and percentage volume change are commonly used options that you can enable. You can also customize the display value colors as per your preference. Uncheck Use default label color to enable custom colors. Click on the color box and choose the color you want. You can also change the label size. Click on the label size drop-down and select the size as per your requirement. Click on Save Settings to apply the changes. Now, you can see the updated display values, colors, and sizes on the chart. Now, let's also look at indicator display value. First, we will check the moving average. Click on the settings icon of the EMA on the chart. In the pop-up, go to the color settings and click on the color box to choose your preferred color. Now you can see that the moving average line color has changed. The display value color will match the line color. Now, let's check a bottom indicator like RSI. Click on the settings icon of RSI. Go to color settings and select your preferred color. Now you can see the updated color on the chart. Now you can easily add and customize display values. In any case of queries, please click on Request for Demo link. We hope you found this session useful, and if so, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will bring another interesting video very soon. Till then, goodbye.